Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. Market's looking pretty good today. We've got Frank first in the chat, second in the chat. No toast, Frank. Sky Stonify, F-I-R-S-T. Rozzy, what's going on, Rozzy? Sky Stonify, Dope OPI, Slayer, Nick F, how you doing? Dark Bro, Gorilla, Invictus, Luca Tony, and Sky. All of you guys, thank you very much for being in here. Let's check the market out. We've got AMC in the top left, finishing 9.19% lower today. Pretty heavy pullback on AMC. We got Shiba Inu coin at the top right, moving higher nicely, 14.29 for Shiba Inu coin, up 1.46% of the day. GameStop sitting at 21.23 at the close, 21.25 after hours. Bitcoin sitting at 23.222 at the moment, been pretty volatile on Jerome Powell speaking there, and coming up nicely since then to sit at 23.219. The Nasdaq liking Jerome Powell today, finishing 1.90% higher. Nonetheless, it was very volatile. A lot of money to be made on call options. I was looking at the QQQ earlier. Getting in this area right here, these options, the put options on the 304 QQQ, 20 cents. Down in this area right here, dropped or rose to about, I think it was $1.50 or something. $1.60. It was ridiculous. You could have made a ton of money, 5 extra money if you would have been playing options today. And then on the way back up, you could have 5 extra money again. GameStop 21.23 at the close. Bureau Therapeutics 405. AMC 618. Ethereum up. Shiba up. Doge up. Bitcoin up. Sundial 226. Mullen Auto 41 cents. CEI sitting at 202. Mullen Auto dipped down to like 37 cents or something. Yeah, Mullen Auto had a pretty decent dip here and then bounced very quickly. But I don't know what was going on with this dip right here. Mullen Auto falling and then rising again, but it's had a pretty steep, like 10% plus decline before coming back up into the close there. CEI 202, the SPY 415, BBIG 69 cents, coming back nicely to end 10% lower, yes, but up nicely from the 63 cent lows that you had earlier on in the day there. So BBIG touching 70 cents after hours. Highcroft Mining sitting at 52 cents. Netflix $362. Terra Luna Classic 18.5 on Terra Luna Classic. QQQ 309. My goodness, man. 309. That's higher than intraday. QQQ closing, or not there, but this is higher. The 311. Touching 310 intraday, closing at 309.88, touching a new high towards the end of the day. Absolute volatility in the overall market, man. Ape closing the day at 312, only down 1.27%, and sitting at 312 after hours right now. We're going to have to watch Bitcoin sit sideways right around this $23,100 level. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Every time I see Frank, it makes me want to say, test your might to the market combat champion of the realm, Dilly Dilly. We've got Frank first in the chat. Frank, man, thanks for being first. And Pat, thank you very much for that authorized hydration. Love it, man. Appreciate all you guys out there. Luca Tony, man. Thank you for the goal! 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 Luca Tony. Thank you very much for the goal, man. That super chat is killing it, Luca Tony. I love it. Yes, man. One more time, because it's goal! Yes, Luca Tony, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. Guys, I'm actually screaming a little louder than you thought. That actually took a little energy to do that right there. Luca Tony, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Loving it, man. Oh my gosh, Luca Tony is the man. Thank you very much. Yes. To that water bottle. Vet Olsen, water is in the water bottle, man. I don't know if there's any way that I can actually show you guys it's water. I mean, maybe I could. Did that work? I can't look at the screen and do that at the same time. Did you guys see that? I can't look at the screen and do that at the same time or I'll miss and throw that all over my shirt. But it is water in the water bottle, man. Rolled my AMC covered calls out 2 weeks, but up a strike to 550. I paid $12 per contract, but adding in the $50 capital gains, it's still a $38 profit per contract. Trying to maximize my exit. There you go, Frank. Very nice. Guys, Frank is just generating paycheck after paycheck with his options income there, man. Love it. Could be vodka. It's vodka. What is vodka clear? Is that what it could be? It looks like hard liquor. It's not hard liquor, man. Oh gosh. That was vodka from the Breakfast Club. It is not, man. It is not. I'm telling you. It's how else would I don't know how else to prove it. They got like little swabs that you could do. You know, like you see them on cops. They pull out the little field test kit and then they test it. Pudgy, no ignore Discord. Never ignore the Discord. I wanted, is there any way I could do it though? I don't know if I could prove it other than just showing you what's in it. He says it looks like hard liquor. I don't even know what hard liquor looks like. Apparently water. Hard liquor looks like water. Oh man, Luki Tony, thank you nonetheless. Even though you think that I'm drinking something that I shouldn't be drinking, especially while I'm on YouTube, I promise it is water. It tastes just like water. It is very refreshing, and that is it, everybody. Tim, I need to know, man. I need to know. Did they get that dude's finger back on? I was wondering about that all day yesterday. I need to know if they got this dude's finger back on and whether or not he's okay. And whether or not you guys make him go back to work. Like, when does he have to go back to work after cutting his finger off? Oh, gosh. I need to know. Spicy corn water. That just sounds disgusting. Check Jasmine out. Jasmine or Jasmy? We'll look at Jasmy coin here. Jasmy is doing very nice, dude. Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Green. Gotta be feeling good right now. Jasmy sitting at basically 0.8 of a cent, up 17.5% on the day. Very nice. 0.8 of a cent right here, jumping up 17%. And I don't know when Sarah got in, man, but if you look at this monthly graph right here, it has been nothing but gains, more than doubling your money in Jasmy, touching a $371 million market cap. Jasmy looking pretty solid, guys. But you got to remember, okay, I don't expect Jasmy to go back up to prices like $4. If you look at the market cap, there's a clear difference in what you're seeing here, and it's because they diluted the crap out of Jasmy coin. So you could basically 4x from these levels to get back to all-time highs. Don't expect to go back up to $4. You got to take into consideration that there's been heavy dilution. The good news is they can't really dilute anymore because 93% of the coins are outstanding already. But nonetheless, man, you've doubled your money over the last month. So those are solid gains in Jasmy. Anybody holding it right now? Hey, if you're I don't have any Jasmy, but if you guys have Jasmy, let us know. Let's see. No, it's soda pop. No, it is water. I promise. It is water. In a clear water bottle, a vodka has bubbles that stick around water. They disappear right after. Got you. It's not a clear water bottle, though. I'd have to put it in a clear water bottle. Hello from Seattle. Vet Olson. Hello from Ohio. Glad to have you in here. Moonshine to the moon, baby. Nope. It was too Toro. Oh, God. Doubtful if he comes back. His workman's comp lawyer contacted us today. Oh, dang, dude. So what does that look like, man? What does that look like? The dude loses a finger. Listen, Tim, just level with us, man, because I have no idea what it looks like. If you lose a finger and you got your workman's comp lawyer calling up, what's that worth? Do you know? Like, what is he going to sue you for? What's a finger worth, or part of a finger worth? I would like to know. Because, dude, finger for like $100,000 or something, I might be willing to go for that. I want to know what fingers are going for these days. Jasmine is here. Get stuffed. Look, it's Jasmine. Jasmine, very nice profile picture. Someone said moonshine. Somebody did say moonshine, man. Delete 0 for sure. Bull run this year confirmed. Jordan, let's get it. Got in Jasmine at 0.005 a couple weeks ago. Franchise, very nice. Already making, 60% on that. Very good, dude. 60% gain. Looking very nice. Check out NGN. Is NGN a stock or a crypto, man? Is NGN a stock or crypto? Most likely a crypto. NGN, crypto. I can't, man. It says it's on track. NGN, crypto, Nijigan. I don't know what it is, but I can't do it. It's not tracked. Check out Saturn Realty on the month. I'm up about 7. I gotta see this. Jeez, man. 46% gain today. $46 million market cap on the month. Yes, dude. 10xing over the last month. Wild gains right there. You are up 7x, man. I don't know when you got in, but if you got in like any period of time right in here, 7x gains, man. Killing it right now. Still a very low market cap, too. Very low market cap with only a $46 million market cap there. $488,000 traded today. They can still dilute the crap out of the coin, so please watch that. Only 25% is circulating. They could definitely go out there and dilute it further. So that's really the only thing you got to watch out for. But nonetheless, man, very nice gains. 10x gains over the last month, and you're sitting on 7x. The question is, Luca Tony, you cashing out or you holding strong? We need to know, man. We need to know. Pat, growing up in Missouri, we called it corn liquor. All right, corn liquor. I guess that's good. I don't know. Afternoon, bros and broettes. Tony D, good afternoon to you. FAFO. I don't know what FAFO stands for. With Bone's low supply, do you think it is realistic for it to hit $50? 250 million times 5 is a billion times 10 billion. Yes. If Shibarium is like one of the leading blockchains, it is possible for Bone to hit $50. That's going to be, I believe, a 10, maybe 12. I was doing 250 times. I was doing 4. So like a 12.5, I believe, billion-dollar valuation. The only way Bone gets there is if Shibarium is a like highly used top blockchain. Polygon, yes, I believe Polygon's got a valuation around that point. Let's see where Polygon is right now, just to kind of gauge it, because that's what everybody loves to compare Shibarium to. And if Polygon is right there at that $10-11 billion valuation, then yes, Bone could be at that $10-11 billion valuation. Now, you got to remember, man, that is if Bone grows to the same level that Polygon is. I understand that Polygon's only $1.26 and Bone is already more expensive than that, but Polygon has 8 billion coins outstanding and 10 billion total, and then Bone only has 250 million coins outstanding. But you can see Polygon's on $1.3 million watch lists. Bone only sitting on 49,000 watch lists right now. Just a little glimpse into, you know, the amount of people looking into buying Polygon versus buying Bone. I do think it's possible to get to a $50 valuation. It's not going to be easy, though, man. Polygon is a very large coin. It's a very large blockchain. So, yes, but it's not going to be easy. Shibarium has to be very, very successful in order for Bone to reach $50. VRA, Veracity, is finally pumping. Let's see what VRA is doing. You guys were talking about this one or 2 weeks ago. Veracity here, sitting up 2% on the day. Yes, over the last week, doing very nice. Going from 0.006 to 0.008. Not a bad gain there. On the monthly, 0.002. 4xing to 0.008. Very nice on the monthly graph there, up 4x over the last month. Guys, a lot of this stuff is looking amazing in 2023 so far. Let's see. What's the likeys at, Clay Bro? Let's look, Tim. Let's look. I'm not even on the page right now. Currently, you guys have clicked the like button 25 times. Make sure to click the like button even more. Come on now, what are you guys doing? You got to click the like button. Vet! Thank you very much. Vet Olson, ladies and gentlemen, with the super chat. Vet, I don't know if you need a shout out or what you got with that super chat right there, but absolutely appreciate it. If you want me to sing, if you want me to dance, if you want me to do something, man, I got you on that. But thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely own it. $19.99, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Vet Olson. Thank you very much for that, Vet. Appreciate you on that one. Loving it. Was filling out incident reports all day today. What did Jerry Powell say? You know what, Tim? I read over some summaries. I didn't watch what he said, but I read over some summaries. Basically just reiterating exactly what he said last week. The fact that we're likely to see 1 or 2 more interest rate hikes, the fact that we are not likely to see interest rate decreases this year, and the economy doing better, like jobs doing better than they had anticipated. So the non-farm payroll report, I believe, added like 500,000 jobs last month, and this is better than expectations by like 3x. It was ridiculously higher than expectations. So he's of the mind that the economy is doing great. Things are growing. We are in a period of disinflation, which means that inflation is falling. So all signs point to rockets to the moon. We're going to have to see if that actually plays out, though. Jerome Powell is very optimistic. Vet, man, I still see your name right there looking very good. Vet. AMC's new seat pricing is a bad image. You know what, Paul? Yeah, I don't like it, man. I don't like it. I haven't looked into what they're charging for the seats, but I don't like the idea that you got to pay more to sit kind of in the middle of the theater like that. It doesn't make any sense to me. Sandbox is pumping too. We could look at that. Pat, I grew up on a family farm in the middle of nowhere. Pigs, cattle, and sustenance of farming. I think that's good. I think that's good, Frank. Or Tim. Not Frank. I need 800,000. 800,000 what? We need 800,000 what? Subscribers? Is that what you need? Plan was exit AMC with $5 covered calls and add 32 shares to GLW and enter my covered calls on that prior to the 24th. I would only make maximum $30 premium for only one contract and an extra $8.16 in dividend. AMC roll nets more. Yeah, if you're rolling out, you said 2 weeks out, right? So you're gonna do better if you roll over and make that instead of getting out of your AMC shares right now, right? Is that what you're saying? I know a few spots like that. Family Farms. Gotcha. Jerome Powell wasted my time today. What the heck? Jerome Powell wastes people's times a lot, but I am glad that Jerome Powell did not destroy markets today. I got to give him that. Anytime the man just runs his mouth enough to make things go up, I'm okay with it. Have you looked into Terrarium? New centralized exchange, a $5 million market cap in India, United Arab Emirates, and coming soon to the US and Europe. Apple Android apps launching this month. No, you know what, William? I know about Terrarium, but I have not looked into Terrarium. So we can see what Terrarium is doing right now. Is it gonna show up? How you spell terrarium, man? There you go. There you go. All right, what do we got here? What's this warning say? Smart contract for this token contains variable tax rate function. This opens the opportunity for contract owners to modify the contract behavior, change fees, or transfer tokens. Please exercise with caution if you are investing in this token. Yes, please do so. Never a good idea when they can change the taxes and move it to whatever they want. But nonetheless, this coin has been much higher in the past. Dang, volume was 1.73 million there and only 29,000 now. Volume could drastically increase. But since March of 2022, Terrarium has basically only ever come down. So let's see, 0.003. It's a 3x gain, 6x gain, 8x gain, 10x gain, 25x gain if it goes back up to those all-time high prices there. 25x gain if it jumps back up to those prices. Not bad potential, man. But you do got to watch out. Only 18% of the coin is circulating right now. They could dilute you on that one. HLBZ. Dopey OPI, man. Let's check out HLBZ. Now, I'm not a huge fan of HLBZ. This is the one where they're talking about taking on the short squeeze, right? This is the one where they're talking about taking on the naked shorts with GNS. HLBZ down 6.66% today. Dang on that one. But let's see. HLBZ rocketing higher, 5x gains when they announced that they were going to be taking on naked shorts along with GNS, and has been coming down since. I'm not touching it, but if you guys want to play it, absolutely. Sitting right at 21.4 cents after hours, and it could still come back down 50% before you reach the levels prior to the announcement that they were going to be joining GNS. I believe that they've already diluted their shareholders too. I believe that they came in this area and diluted their shareholders, or announced that they intended on diluting their shareholders. HLBZ is a very risky stock, but nonetheless, man, 5x gains in a 2-day, 3-day period is wild, and they could. If they got some good news to come out, they could shoot back up in price. So definitely watch out for that. I think that's a little risky for me. Shiba LUNC, sorry I'm driving. Andrew, are you more bullish on Shiba LUNC? Listen, I'm bullish on both of them, right? But if I only had to choose one, what I've been saying so far is that I would choose Shiba Inu coin, simply because I think it's less of a chance. It's already established, right? Terra Luna Classic has to redeem itself. And Shiba Inu coin isn't of the, I guess, mindset right now that it's got to redeem itself. It's down in price, absolutely, but it's not like we had some massive fallout with a depegging or anything like that. We're just down with the overall bull market. So while I think that Terra Luna Classic might have a little bit more potential to run up higher, I think that I'm currently more bullish on Shiba Inu coin. My $5 AMC cover calls were going to expire this Friday, so it was an apples for apples comparison, 38.16 versus 114. Well, dude, if you're taking 114, that sounds better than 38. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Charts, babbling, nonsense, stock stuff. Meh. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Meh. Forget all the babbling nonsense. Let's get on with the fist bumps, Michael, man. Thank you very much for that. And I still see Vet's name up at the top of the screen. Vet, dude, thank you very much for that super chat. Loving it, man. Let's see. Okay, I'm here, guys. Thanks for waiting. Carry on. Next level. We waited just for you, dude. We waited just for you. And now that you're in here, we can move on. My ApeCoin running again. 1 day left for the Dookie Dash game. I actually want to see where those Dookie Dash, what are they called? Those Dookie Dash NFTs are. They got to be really, really low in value right now. Oh, how do I find those? Let's see if we've got Twitter. Yeah, let's see if we got Twitter. And then Bored Ape Yacht Club. Yeah. Right, but I want to see where you can buy the Dookie Dash NFTs, those sewer passes. Is it here? No. It is not there. I just want to see what these NFTs are going for, man, because they were like 1.5 Ethereum. And they got to be a lot less than that now that this game is almost over. Dang, man, these guys go all out for these Bored Apes they got. I don't know where to find that. Oh well, I'll look for it some other time. ApeCoin though, we can look at ApeCoin. Ape USD, $5.91 on ApeCoin. Very nice right there. Coming back down off that 640, but nonetheless bouncing back up. If it retakes this level of resistance at $6, I want to see a take of $7 on ApeCoin. An acceptable pullback. If you look at this trend line right now, we are hitting higher highs and lower highs. Higher lows. Lower highs. No, higher lows. So following this trend line, bouncing. Let's see if this holds up as well. We're going to make this nice and big there. And bouncing off. Let's see if it's able to follow that trend all the way back up to $10 per coin. Would be beautiful on Ape if it's able to do that. I see 36 likes. Dopey OPI. Nice. Make sure to click that like button even more. Hey, Clay, check out Unification Fund. 120 million total supply. 34 million circulating supply. Supposedly need for Bone to work on Shibarium and other future projects are going to be built on it. Yeah, so Unification is who is building Shibarium, right? Let's see where they are. Unification. Let's see what we got here. Fund, ladies and gentlemen. Fund is sitting at 41 cents right now. Fund with a $14 million market cap and a 34 million coin circulating supply. Correct on that one. $14 million market cap, still very low, guys. And I know a lot of people have been buying Unification. Gosh, man. The last year and a half, they've done phenomenally on this Shibarium news. If you're looking at the last 3 months, look at this, going from 13 cents up to 50 cents. People very excited about Unification based on the Shibarium news that has been coming out. So I don't know if they're going to be associated in any way with the Shibarium release or if this is all just like speculation and hype. But I would say that's the reason they've been moving higher over the last couple of months is because people are just drastically excited with the Shibarium release here. So 41 cents, only a $14 million market cap, could definitely go higher if Shibarium is a major success. Good afternoon, everybody. Family Z, good afternoon to you. I'm thinking about selling $1,000 of my Shib and buying more Volt. What one do you see being more profitable this year? So, family, you know, here's the thing you got to keep into consideration with Volt. Volt's got some very high taxes. Okay, so if you're thinking about selling $1,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin, Volt theoretically has more potential to move higher because it's got a drastically lower market cap. You could 100x on Volt before it reaches the same market cap as Shiba Inu coin. But, you know, if you're thinking about getting in, we got to go here. They got like a 13% tax or something. I got to figure out where their tax is. Yeah, man. So if you're buying, you get an 8, 12, 13% buy tax, and then another 13% sell tax. So, no, 13% tax right here. This is BSC, and this is Ethereum. So you've got a 13% tax. I believe that is on both sides. So if you want to break even, you basically have to 50% gain in order to break even. 26% essentially, yes, but you're going to be getting hit harder on the top side. So if you really want to make any substantial gain, you know, you're going to have to see a 50% increase in Volt. Now, it definitely can do that because it's only sitting in an $88 million market cap right now, and it is a very heavily traded coin. They have a lot of money that can go into marketing. So it's just something you got to think about. They've got very high taxes on Volt. So if you're going to get it, you're immediately going to see a 13% tax, which you're going to be walking away with $870 worth of Volt if you make that $1,000 buy. And then if it goes back up, let's say it does rise back up 20%, and then you're sitting on your $1,000 again. Well, of course, you got another 13% sell tax. So you're going to have to see some pretty strong gains to even break even on Volt with how high their taxes are. Just my thought, though. But like I say, dude, with an $88 million market cap versus a $7-8 billion market cap, they get 100x before they get to the same level as Shiba Inu coin. Also, on Robinhood, I'm still selling AMC cash secured puts at a $4 strike and using the premium to buy more Shiba. I'm an addict. Dude, there's absolutely nothing wrong with being an addict of making money like that, Frank. $4 cash secured puts, kind of hard to beat that right now, man. Kind of hard to beat that right now. What do the premiums look like on $4? Let's see if we can see that. So for anybody that doesn't know, if Frank's got at least $400 in his account, he can sell some cash secured puts, which means if AMC falls down below $4 by the expiration, then they would put that stock to him. They would put 100 shares of AMC to him at $4 per share. It is unlikely to drop to $4 per share anytime soon with the way that the market's been going, but keeping that in mind, if Frank wants to just generate some income and he's willing to hold AMC if it drops to below $4 per share, this week you're not making much. You're making $1 if you're selling those calls this week. But if you go out to next week, $4, you're making $7 on 100 shares. Nice $7 gain. If you're willing to go out to the end of February, you're sitting on $21 that you could be making. So if you've got $400 in your account and you're willing to sell those cash secured puts and willing to take AMC on at $4, you can make some decent money sitting there and selling these covered calls on a weekly or monthly basis and watching what happens with AMC. Still, very unlikely that AMC drops quickly to these levels down here where you would actually get that put to you. So something to consider if you guys want to generate some income with puts or calls. Nufo! Thank you very much. The Super Chat Nufo says, meow, meow, meow. Thank you very much, Nufo, for the pretty little kitty cat. Nufo, man, thank you very much for that Super Chat. And no, Vet Olson's name has disappeared from the top of the screen now. 2 to 3 weeks out is my time frame on cash secured puts. There you go, man. So most likely making roughly that $21 mark on those. Vet Olson is back at the top of the screen. Vet, man, thank you very much for that Super Chat. I'm loving it. Vet, man, thank you very much for that Super Chat. He's got his name back at the top of the screen now. Richie's Plain Talk. 1 month member chat. How high do you think Bone will go? Now, Richie, I have no idea. But it is strictly going to be based on the success of Shibarium. We were looking at Polygon a minute ago. So let's just say, theoretically, Bone and Shibarium are just as successful as Polygon and Matic, right? It's the same layer 2 blockchain. They've been claimed to be very similar in gas fees and speed and so on. If that's the case, Bone would, I believe, go to roughly the same price, or $50 to $60 per coin. So it is not impossible to go to $50 to $60. If it surpasses Polygon, you're talking about, $100 valuations and so on. Stuff like that is not going to be easy. You're gonna need some massive success surrounding Shibarium. Can it happen? Absolutely. But it's going to be crucial that you do see that success, and it's not just some sort of a flop. Congrats on the job. Can see any DODO USDT charts. What do you think decentralized exchange is the future? Alpha Network. Yeah, let's see if we've got DODO over here. We'll pull that up and we'll look at that in a second. But first, I gotta say, Richie's Plain Talk, man. Thank you very much for 10 green names, man. I love it. We got Nufo grabbing a green name, State grabbing a green name, Jake L grabbing a green name, The Famous Ones grabbing a green name, Mark L grabbing a green name, Logs Adventures grabbing a green name, Jose Garcia, Kristen, Adam, Space Matters grabbing a green name. Is that all 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, all 10 green names. Richie, man, thank you very much for the 10 green names there. Guys, please throw your thank yous out in the chat right now. Richie, man, thank you very much for grabbing those 10 green names. Absolutely love it, dude. And hopefully, if those 10 people are in here right now, they also say thank you for that. Gosh, there's like no gray names left in this chat. There's literally no, I see no gray names in the chat right now. I'm loving it. Richie, thank you very much. Vet, thank you very much. And Alpha, let's take a look at DODO right now. DODO has got a $73.5 million market cap, $15 million in volume being traded today. It is only 16 cents. Let's see where this puts at an all-time chart. We gotta watch this market cap. All right, so this bad boy could move during the next bull market. If you look here, DODO was sitting on a roughly $900 million valuation back in March of 2021. That has since dropped to $10 million, losing like 99.9 or 99% of its value. We'll give it 99. Losing like 99% of its value, and it is on an upswing now, back up to $73 million. If you're looking at the price, roughly a 7x increase over the last month, I'd say. 3 months? 10 cents? No, just doubling in price. Not that much. So the market cap is going up, but the price is not necessarily going up. They may be burning some coins here, since the market cap in November has gone from 12.6 million all the way up to 70 million, and the price is only like tripled in value. So we may be seeing a burning of the coins that are out there in DODO. Not exactly sure, but nonetheless, man, beautiful potential to 10x to get back to those all-time highs in your market cap there. If you 10x in value, then things are going to be looking very good. I have no idea what the DODO does, but I also like the fact that I see Slow Mist and Certic audited over here. That means you're most likely going to be getting into a safer coin where they're not going to rug pull and things like that. So it does have a lot of potential, but I do not know necessarily what they do or whether or not this is an investment or strictly like bull market action that you're seeing here. As far as decentralized exchanges, Shibarium, I'm going to say it, and Shiba Swap. There's going to be a lot of potential there, okay? There's decentralized exchanges all day, but if a decentralized exchange has potential right now, it's with all the hype surrounding Shibarium. So if Shibarium is successful, I believe that Shiba Swap is going to see a lot of success. Now, that's not to say that Shiba Swap is one of the better decentralized exchanges. There's plenty out there. I actually like PancakeSwap. But with the hype surrounding Shibarium, I think short-term, Shiba Swap actually does have a lot of potential, man. So that's kind of my thoughts on the decentralized exchanges at the moment. Dopey throwing another green name in the chat, and Meta Pockets grabbing that green name from Dopey. I love it. Rozzy, hey, I'm blocked from my original account on your channel. Rozzy, let's look and see if you are blocked right there. I'll go check that and see. I'll look at that in 2 seconds. But first, Meta Pockets, if you're in here, say thanks to Dopey. I'm saying thanks to Dopey. Thank you very much. You and Richie's Plain Talk, man. Thank you guys both for throwing all those green names out of the chat. Meta Pockets isn't here. All right, I do see it. Nice, man. We only got a couple gray names left. This is ridiculous. I love it. All right, let's go check and see if Rozzy is blocked right now. I gotta go to settings. Okay, settings, yes. Community, yes. Dang, man, I just love when Lauren's picture shows up as moderators. It's perfect. Coming down here, and Rozzy, it is, listen, Rozzy, go, Rozzy, send me your channel in the Discord. Send me your channel in the Discord, because it is not saying that you're blocked right now. Only people that are blocked are the same ones from earlier. You got that direct selling, that Indian looking account, Lou versus Wall Street fake, and then two Claybro WhatsApp fake accounts there. It is not showing anybody else is being blocked right now. So if you are blocked, like if I can go in there and see by clicking on your channel that you are actually blocked right now, this is exactly what I want to send to YouTube and show them that something is messed up, but it's not showing that you're blocked right now. So please send me the thing in the Discord, and then let me know when you send it to the Discord, because I don't actually have the Discord open right here, so I'll use my phone real quick to click on it. All right, he just clicked. So guys, full Weeble for 2 seconds. I just want to see if the channel is blocked, because this is exactly what I need to send to YouTube if he is blocked, because he's not showing up there. All right. Send me the link to it. I can't click on that. Rozzy, send me the link to it. That's not showing up. Like, send me your actual channel link. No, I don't care about your... I don't care about your name, man. I don't care what the names are. I want to be able to click on it and see if it actually shows up. You gotta send me the name there, though. And I'll click on it real quick. All right, we are back. I can definitely multitask. Yes, man, I'm back. My phone crashed. Good. Done. Sent. All right, well, now I gotta go look again. Darn it. Give me 2 more seconds, guys. Give me 2 more seconds. Full Weeble for 2 seconds. I want to see if I can check out Rozzy and whether or not Rozzy is blocked right now. Channel link. All right. Yes, take me out of there. Good. No, Rozzy, actually, it does not say that you are blocked, man. Oh, connect my charger. Hold on. Let that go off there. So look. All right, go back, go back, go back. Yes, here. All right, Razia, I sent you that thing. I sent you the picture there. To me, it's showing me you're not blocked anywhere. So if you're unable to chat right now, I actually have no idea why. No idea. Which saw him type into the chat. Yeah, let's see. Razi is able to be seen. There you go. Can you see me? Yes, Razi, you are here. Very good, very good. Clay, Razi is fine. Yes, he is. Razi, it is fine. That's because I unblocked him. Dark Bro, how did you unblock him? And where was he blocked at? Because I never saw him blocked anywhere. I have no idea what's going on right now. My God, dude. Oh. Dark Bro. So somebody did hide him. You guys can unhide people too? Can you guys see that those 4 people are hidden? Can you see that the fake Lou versus Wall Street, and then the... Like, you guys can see that the fake Lou versus Wall Street, those 2 Clay Bros, and Direct Selling Business My Life are the ones that are hidden on the channel? Can you guys see that? I don't know what the moderators can see, man. All I know is you guys stop hiding people that don't need to be hidden. You guys are ridiculous, man. Oh my gosh. All right, let's come back out to the Weeble. Let's come back out of the Weeble one. Try to tell you, yeah, you were typing for like 5 minutes. No, I wasn't, Dark Bro. You guys are way too, you guys are over dramatic, man. I was not gone for 5 minutes. He has to go back to the previous live streams to find a time Rozzy typed in the chat. Then he can unhide. So he was hidden. Gotcha. So we went back and found him and unhid him. And if he legitimately unhid him, he was blocked by somebody. All right. Now we can't see who's blocked. All right. So he goes that strategy. He goes back to like yesterday's live stream or the earlier live stream today and then unblocks him. I understand the Rozzy saga, but I can't tell you. I can't tell anybody anything. I am so lost when it comes to why you guys are hiding so many people, man. I don't understand it. Oh, Rozzy says, King Turkey with 6 slow hip. Do you only get one of them for a $2 super chat? 6 slow hip thrusts. You can't see the hip thrust, man, but yes, Rozzy, you get 3, man. We're splitting the difference on that one. You get 3. Those were slow, and it sounded pretty good with the turkey right there. Rozzy, you're welcome, man. Rozzy taking the King Turkey to another level. I like it. Yes. Thank you so much, everybody. Absolutely, Rozzy. Well, Kai, you're good now, man. I don't know what people got going on. The market double bottom, and so that's why it's pumping right now. Jose, let's take a look at that real quick, because I actually read some analysts talking about the market going down one more time and triple bottoming if it already double bottomed. But they're saying we're going to see one more bottom down to the October lows here. So if we're coming out to the QQQ as an indicator of the overall market. All right, here we go. QQQ. Yeah, man, we could have already had a double or triple bottom here. So if you're looking at this, bouncing off this support line, bouncing off this support line, bouncing off this support line, the market may have triple bottomed, essentially, and is rising up from there. Double bottomed if you just consider this one attempt right here. But a nice, what do they call them? A nice George W. Nice W on the chart right here. But I was reading in analysts, oh gosh, I don't know what bank he was from. Basically talking about the market hitting one more October low before it goes higher. And what he was pointing to is the same stuff that we point to on here, in the sense that company earnings right now are not increasing, and people are getting a little bit ahead of themselves when it comes to this recent rally that we've seen. This gain since the beginning of 2023 is not necessarily based on economic improvement, and therefore he expects that we're going to come back down and retest this low one last time. Now, although that makes sense, that makes perfect sense to me. Well, I've said several times over the last couple of weeks here that this rally can continue on, and then the market catches back up. So things always don't work in a logical manner. And if they don't always work in a logical manner, we could absolutely see these gains continue on, and then the economy starts to pick back up. So do I think we bottom again? I don't think it's necessary. It makes sense that we would, but I don't think it's necessary. Nonetheless, man, the market has been doing very well since the beginning of the year here. My gosh, it looks really good when you look at that chart. Elon Musk bought trillions of Shiba Inu coin. Dopey OPI. No, there's been no claims that Elon Musk has bought trillions of Shiba Inu coin. The top whales have bought trillions of Shiba Inu coin over the last, I think, week. But it's not, nobody said that Elon Musk has, or Elon Musk at least has not confirmed that he's bought all of those Shiba Inu coin. So a lot of people might be excited about something like that, but no, he has not claimed to have done such a thing. Tim, thank you very much for the one green name. Abstract Video. Got a green name from Tim right there. I love it. And Rozzy throwing 5 green names into the chat right now. Rozzy gifted. Oh my gosh. Rozzy got a green name from Rozzy. I love it. Harris got a green name. Life with Maine got a green name. Jay got a green name. And Nicholas B got a green name. You guys are killing the green names today. My goodness, man. I like it. Tim throwing that green name out there. You guys are destroying destroying it. Slayer JC, thank you very much for the member chat. Smash that like button. Also, what are your thoughts on AMC charging for seats? I don't like it, dude. I don't like it. You go to the movie theater, you just want to go pick your seat. You want to pick your seat when you get there. If you're picking your seat before you get there, okay, great. But you just want to be able to go get your seat and not have to decide whether or not you want to sit, in the front for $1 or $2 less. Then you got to sit in the middle where it's nice. Dude, milking every little cent out of the movie theater experience to me seems a little bit drastic. I don't like it. They might be able to increase revenue, but they might end up not selling tickets at all if they end up realizing that, well, this is going to cost me even more to sit there, or these are the only seats left, so I'm not going to end up going. There's a lot, man. Clay sent an image of Dark Bro saving Razi in the Discord. Also, a live image of the King Turkey. Nice. JB, the live image of the King Turkey is something I probably should hang above my fireplace. And I'm going to have to pull the Discord. I don't have the Discord pulled. I had to reset my computer, and I don't have the Discord pulled up in here, so I will pull that up later. Right after the live stream. New foe! 7-month member chats. Ooh, a banana for all of the bros, especially Trapper. Trapper, not banana. Trapper, this banana's for you. That's the lick and stick technique right there. New foe, man. Thank you very much for the member chat. Trapper, thank you very much for loving the banana so much that everybody sends you one. Hoodro, do you believe we are in a bull market or a bear market rally? JJ. Perfect way to put it. Currently, a bear market rally. Okay, that's what I was kind of just talking about. We don't have the signs for a bull market to be here. Inflation is still high, but it's falling, which is good news. Interest rates are still high. They're not even decreasing right now. So they're still high, which the interest rate increases are slowing, but it's not necessarily good news. And then company earnings are still falling. So that's bad news. So if you're looking for an overall bull market and what determines that bull market, we don't have the economic growth that we need to see. Therefore, we're not in a bull market yet. But this bear market rally could continue on until the economy decides, well, now I'm improving. So we may not bottom again. We may not come back down. In this bear market rally, could finally be caught up to by the bull market. So it doesn't mean that we're going to turn back over. We absolutely could. The risk is still to the downside, but the overall economy may catch up to the market rally we're seeing right now. We're in a bear market rally that could eventually be caught up to by the bull market. Let's see. Yes, as if $30 movie tickets and $90 popcorn and drinks aren't enough. Dude, those 3D movie tickets are ridiculous. And then the popcorn is ridiculous too, man. I like popcorn. I make a lot of popcorn. And I'm telling you, when they charge you like $8 for a thing of popcorn, that is a lot of money for popcorn. It really is. They don't need to be charging people that much. I'm done here. Kai, never be done here, man. Always stay here and be the opposite of done, which is always be getting started. Theater by Me has VIP seating and serves, drinks. Love them. Richie's Plain Talk. Very nice, man. When is Binance supporting the burning for LUNC again? March 1st or 2nd? Tony, March 1st or 2nd, man. I don't actually remember which day it is, but it's March 1st or 2nd. They might be calculating everything on March 1st and burning on March 2nd, but it's the first 2 days of March. Any good news on HBAR? I think they added Dell to their console. Majid, man, I actually got no news on HBAR. If you want to see the chart real quick, we can see what they're doing, what the price looks like. But I got no news on HBAR. They're having a pretty good day today, up 9%. Sitting at a $1.9 billion market cap. This is a pretty high valued coin, guys. 7 cents. Doing very well over the last day. Very nice over the last 7 days. The last month, basically doubling in value. And last 3 months, doubling in value as well. So the last month has been very nice on HBAR. And it's kind of following the overall market. Guys, there's really been no bad coins over the last month. Let's see. We're in a meme bull market, and I will take any sort of a rally that we can get our hands on, man. I like price action to the upside. Boomstick. I'm pretty sure AMC ran a test period of the more expensive tickets for seats, and it got them positive, and it got positive reviews. Boomstick, very interesting. I mean, obviously, I haven't been to the movies in a very long time, but it's just not something that I would want to do. I don't know. How much, you guys know how much they are? Like, how much more is it for premium seats than it is for front row seats or whatever the cheapest seats are? Where we at on the likies? Spank us with an ad, Clay Daddy. Oh, I'll spank you with an ad if we're not over 50%. We've got 47 likes. You know what? I'll accept that. I'll give you guys 10 seconds to get us above 50 likes right now. If you can't do it, you're getting spanked with an ad. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 people clicked, took it to 49. 2 people took it to 49. 51, but I did click already. Now you gotta let me know, did you get an ad or you did not get an ad? I love it here, but your mods are trigger happy. The mods might be trigger happy, but you're happy too, Kai. You're happy too. I don't want, for real though, man. For real. If the mods are trigger happy or whatever, I don't want it to make a bad experience for anybody. So please, like, you know, don't leave just because. don't leave. When will they start burning LUNC? Dial up Survivor. So Binance is supposed to burn LUNC again at the beginning of March here. New phone. Thank you very much for the super chat. We all need bananas. To the end this glorious day. We do, man. Tim, thank you for the member chat. Who got that one? Tony got the member chat from Tim. Tony, and this is how you. Tony, this one's specifically for you from Newfo. Everybody can watch though. Tony, you tilt the head back a little bit. You lick the banana. And you stick the banana. Thank you very much for the super chat, Newfo, and thank you very much for throwing that green name out there, Tim. Man, you guys are killing it today. Absolutely love it. AMC Trapper did not get an ad. Did anybody else get one? Because I did click it. Is YouTube literally not putting ads on my video anymore? Like they can't put ads. Nobody needs an ad now. Let's see. They will get you next level. What did next level say? I drove by the movie theater the other night and lost 50 bucks. You just drove by and lost 50 bucks in? Dang, they're expensive. Thanks, Tim. Tony! Yes, man. Tony is in here. Tony got that green name and saying thanks. I love it. Slayer did not get an ad. YouTube Premium from Dark Bro. Oh, man. You guys are just great. I just love it. No ads going out to anybody anywhere. I delete no one. You can curse like a sailor as far as I'm concerned, unless you try to smack talk Clay. Actually, look, I'm okay if people try to smack talk me. I'm completely fine with that. I actually have the ability to defend myself or whatever, or give my point of view on here. So I am completely okay if anybody is like, even if they're 180 degrees against what I'm saying, I've got the ability to kind of defend myself. I never want to see anybody acting out to anybody else in the chat. That's where I kind of draw the line. If you guys are just typing on the screen or whatever, it does make it a little bit different. You guys can disagree with me all day long. Trust me when I tell you I can handle my own. I can debate with the best of them. I'm a master debater, guys. I am a master debater, and I am afraid of no man or woman when it comes to debating. But I really want you guys to be respectful to each other. So if you ever see anybody in the chat messing with anybody else, that's kind of where I draw the line. Don't make this a bad environment or kind of like not negative, because I know you guys can handle your own too, but never make anybody else feel like they've got to prove themselves or they've got to come off like, well, this isn't even my live stream and I'm over here getting ridiculed for something. So that's kind of where I draw my line. You guys don't have to worry about me. Worry about everybody else, man. And like people like Samantha, right? I'm gonna use Samantha as an example right here. Samantha's probably working right now. She's probably not in the chat. But Samantha, brand new to cryptocurrency. She's got Doge bits, right? Doge bits, and thinking about getting some baby Doge bits or something. That is like the last person that anybody should be condescending to or whatever. We want to make sure that Samantha has a great environment that she can learn about crypto, learn about stocks, And people like that might be brand new to the game and have Doge bits, that they feel welcome here and that they can ask questions and that they're comfortable growing, right? That's the type of people that I never want to see anybody talking down to or giving a hard time. You guys can give me a hard time all day long, because I guarantee you I can back it up. Tim, man, thank you very much for the super chat. The Peach for all the newbie green names. Ooh, the Peach is for them. Everybody else, close your eyes. Tim, man, thank you much for Clay Bros Peach. I love it. I can speak for myself and nobody else. There you go, man. Nah, man, we got you. Some peeps deserve it, bro. Well, they might, man. I don't know. You guys do, I guess, a pretty good job of keeping the chat pretty clean, though, because I never really see anything that's too far out there, man. Was really hoping Clay would slip up on that Master Debater comment. Next level, I slip on nothing. Except the banana peels when I'm done licking and sticking. I will slip on those right after the live stream. Touching the peach, baby. Touching the peach. AMC Trapper, touching that peach. I knew you would, Trap. I knew you would. Guys, we are getting out to the Doge chips, man. The Doge chips and the Doge bits. No question, no bash, folks, no spam. But there you go. You guys know the rules, man. All right, it is past 5 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We're going to be back tonight at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. with videos. Please watch them 100 times, because I'm telling you guys right now, views are down like a Panic at the Disco? Who's going down in an earlier round? Is that Panic at the Disco or somebody else? Now I don't even know. I don't think it's Panic at the Disco, actually. I don't even know who it is now. Never mind. They're going down in an earlier round. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. He admitted it. Careful, Clay. You'll go blind. Patrick, I love the authorized hydration, man. Oh, there it is. There it is. I just can't see very well. No, I'm just playing with you guys. I can see just fine. Batman, thank you very much for the super chat. Fallout Boy. There you go. Fallout Boy. All right, we're like Fallout Boy. Going down in an early round. Hey, how did JB knows about the Fallout Boy? AMC Trapper saying peace out of the Diamond Hand Apes. We got Outdoor Smile, the Franchise Slayer, JC, Meta Pockets, Tim, man. See you later. Dark Bro, Nufo. Enjoy your day. Tony D, Dark Bro, Nufo to Puto. Ahoo. Outdoor Smile, man. Gorilla Invictus, see you later. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Enjoy your night, man. Dark Bro, next level, see you later. Dark Bro, Old Rounder, Dark Bro, we've got Old Rounder, the Franchise, JB, man, see you later, the Franchise, Dial Up Survivor, Pat, enjoy your day. Meta Pockets, enjoy it. Slayer, Tim, SD, see you later, man. Back to the Future, enjoy your evening. Dark Bro, next level, Nick F, Stephanie Bro, all of you guys, you know what time it is. Tony says, how do you eat a hot dog? Tony, you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. I'm gonna choose queso, man. Queso's a pretty good dip for a hot dog. When you're done dipping that hot dog, you shove it. Tony, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you, dude. Enjoy your night over there. Absolutely, man. JB, Philip, Ambient, Dark Bro, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Tim said, are we leaving? Nope, we're not leaving. Darn it, Tim, I thought I was gone. Nope, you're not gone, Clay, bro. Tim, is it time to go? Nope, it is not time to go, Tim, man. I thought we were out of here. Thank you very much for the super chat. And, yes, JB had that album on repeat. 20 years. Is it really 20 years? You're just saying 20 years. Is it really been? No, there's no way it's been 20 years, man. No way it's been 20 years. That's in... It could have been close to 20 years. Actually, my gosh, dude. Philip, enjoy your evening. Envy and Dark Bro, Tony, Johnstontown, take care, man. Outdoor Smile, Tim, enjoy your evening. Nufo Slayer, JC, Johnstontown, Richie's playing song. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, Trapper, man, Trapper, you scared me, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. AMC Trapper, man, absolutely appreciate it. 2005. I should be saying to the 2005 comment. Dang, man, that is a long time ago. I'm telling you. 2005. Oh man, Tim, you're making me think of Juana right now. Thank you very much for the super chat. Ice cream. Yo quiero tu helado. If there's only one phrase I know in Spanish. Yo quiero tu helado. Juana. Yo quiero tu helado. Thank you, Tim, for reminding me that I do know one phrase in Spanish. Appreciate you, Tim, man. JJ! You guys know what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Who's hard like a diamond out there? I need to know as we leave, guys. Thank you very much for those super chats. Shout out to JB, Nufo, Johnsontown, Tim. That is for Juana. Wherever you are, Juana. Wherever you are. Yo quiero tu helado. Gosh, I love it. That's what he does to Juana. Yeah, I want that ice cream, man. JJ, enjoy your day. AMC Trapper, Nufo, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.